When you look at the key signature at the beginning of the music piece after the clef, it instantly tells you which key the composition is in. For example, if I see 1 sharp in the key signature, I know that the music has been written to the key of either G major or E minor. The key signature also helps the composer to avoid writing sharps or flats again and again in a piece of music. So in a sense, writing key signatures makes music notations easy to read. Here's a simple melody in D major without a key signature. Now here is the same melody with the key signature at the beginning of the staff to remind the performer that all the F and C notes should be played as a sharp. Basically, this key signature implies that every time the F or C note appears in the piece, irrespective of the octave, they should be played as F sharp or C sharp. Let's take another example and look at these two key signatures, A major and E flat major. This indicates that all Fs, Cs and Gs will be played as sharps in this music, and this one indicates that all Bs, Es and As will be played as flat in this music unless otherwise specifically stated in the staff. There are 15 key signatures in total corresponding with the 15 major scales. The key signature is also indicative of the relative minor scale. It is important to note that a key signature can either have sharps or flats. It cannot have a mixture of both.